it's Lindsay here with Pilates On Demand. Today we are going to hit a quick 5-minute core workout for beginners using the wall. So this is Pilates abs on the wall, and we're mostly going to be keeping our neck down. I will give one option at the end to just really finish it up, but if that's too much for you, please honor your body and stay where you're at. So like I said, this is a wall workout, so you're just going to need a little bit of wall space. So I'm going to have you start laying on your back, butt towards the wall, head away from the wall, and we're gonna start pretty close. So just about 5 inches between your butt and the wall. Good, and then you're going to just scooch in a little bit, place your feet on the wall, and let's press that low back down into the ground so there's no back bend. Your whole back presses into the floor. Your left leg is going to extend to the sky, and your right leg is going to just stay planted on the wall with the knee bent. Point the left toes and tighten the stomach. You can even put your hands there. Think of pulling your stomach away from your hands. That's kind of the idea of creating that abdominal connection. With a nice, straight, strong left leg, start to draw small circles on the ceiling with that left leg. You pick your direction. We're gonna go both ways. Now what we're looking for here is that there's no movement anywhere else except for this left leg. So right leg is planted and still, not wobbling around, and your hips are not moving around in order to work this left leg. Okay, so that is your abs stabilizing. That's what's happening here. Good, you can also push your arms into the ground if you need more stability, or you can take that option of your hands on your stomach. So let's reverse that circle. Just take it in the other direction. Good, around the world. Pressing your core down, pressing your ribs down, and just thinking, what's going on with my body? So being present with your exercise is really helpful for you to get stronger and to connect deeper. Good work, guys. Okay, keep breathing in and out. Try not to hold your breath here. Okay, let's go for 2 more. Last one, bring that left leg to center. Now again, keeping the right leg and the hips still, your left leg is opening to the left and then right back in line with the hip. Now I'm only going to take that left leg as far left as my body doesn't fall over. So it doesn't have to be big to be effective. Good, so just a small range of motion will do. Good, making sure nothing in the right side of the body lifts. So this works a layer of the abdominals called the obliques. Your right oblique, the right side, is working really hard so you don't fall over to the left. Okay, so the weight shifting to the left, if the right side isn't bracing, that's when the body will fall over. Good, last 2. Last 1, bring it on in. Plant that left foot down, extend those right toes up, pull the stomach down into the mat, and we're gonna draw those small circles. So right toes are pointed, right leg is straight. We're moving the leg around. The right leg, not the left leg. So now your left leg is super still. And you can take the options of hands on your stomach or on the mat. Embrace the floor. Good, find that stability. Now if you're having a really hard time stabilizing, make this circle super, super small. Good, if you feel no movement in your body, that's when you graduate to a little larger circle. Continue to breathe through the movement so that we don't get flushed in the face. Okay, let's reverse those circles. Take them around the world in the other direction. Nice job. Okay, and then think about it. Is this side easier or harder than the other side? Usually we have one side that's a little bit stronger than the other, and that could be different depending on what exercise or what body part you're using. Nice work, guys. Let's go for 3 more. Okay, Okay, last one. We're coming through center. Now leg over hip, it's going to be like a windshield wiper. We open out to the right, we bring it back in. Now what we don't want to happen is that the body gets pulled to the right and the left side lifts up. So I'm going to make it really small. As long as I'm able to keep this left side down, I'll make it a little bigger, just to challenge myself. But if you get to a place where you can't keep the side down, you've gone too far, so reel it back in. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Good, staying present, feeling where your body is in space. Okay, you're gonna give me one more here. Last one. Legs coming in. Extend both legs straight up to the ceiling. Find your Pilates V. So heels together, point your toes, and turn the legs out. Arm extend long by the waist to a hover, palms down. You're gonna start to pump your arms. I want you to think of pressing your abs down into the floor as you pump your arms and breathing out. Option to lift the chest up and pump the arms here. Now make sure it's not your head like this, yeah? Make sure it's from your upper back. Okay, we're gonna breathe out right here for 10. Stamp the abs into the floor, let's go. Breathe out through the mouth. We've got 10, 9, reach for the wall. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, sit up a little taller, you got it. 3, 2, 1. Release. Good work. Shake that neck right and left. Did an awesome job. Lots to think about. Good, and then just slide those legs down off the wall and up to a seat. Good, I hope you guys had a great Pilates core workout without even lifting your head too much. And please let me know in the comments how it went for you. Please subscribe to my channel, Pilates on Demand. I would love to see you on another workout, and I will hope you have a good day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.